Chef Antonio.
How are you? Nice
I'm
to
fine,
see you
thanks.
today.
Nice to see you too.
How
It's
are
a
you?
pleasure.
Piacere, piacere.
So whenever we say the Italian kitchen, two
Talk about
words
pizza.
to
Pizza,
know.
spaghetti and mandolino.
And mandolino.
The pizza has been created by one Italian chef from Naples called Raffaele Esposito. This chef, he just prepared some bread with a little bit of tomato, that is the red, a little bit of basil, that is the green. So he produced the color of the Italian flag, the three colors. And he offered this for the first time to the Regina, Margherita, to the Queen. And for that, they invented the pizza Margherita.
So let's see how can we do it بنكهة قطرية.
What I will do now, important things, I will put some flour on my working table and I take my pizza dough and I start to work it with my finger. So with your hand, you just have to turn it like this.
We say تمطة.
Exactly.
تمطة is
Smatta.
تمطة.
Do you want to try? This is enough, it's perfect.
This is good.
Yes, now, you see, that's why we need the hand. I will make this longer and then always in Italy what they do like this because like this the flour will fly away. So the pizza sauce have to be spreaded from the center to the border, leaving the border clean. Is to make this mozzarella in chunk and spread it all around your pizza.
Okay.
A little bit of shredded mozzarella.
So we'll try to do something. We call it دقوس. It's a side sauce. It's flavorous.
Okay.
Sometimes it becomes very chili based, very
Very
spicy.
spicy.
I need a touch of olive oil. We'll go with a little bit of onions. I add my
Little garlic.
Now I need to add some magic to this.
Rihan.
So we have the rihan.
The smell of the herbs, of the spices is very nice. So our pizza is ready. Normally the basic pizza, Margherita, has only some fresh chopped basil. The buffalo mozzarella is another also add-on. We can do it at the end. This is my pizza Margherita.
Fantastic.
So this is the pizza Margherita with the Italian touch and the Qatari touch of the daqoos.
We say عليك بالعافية.
عليك بالعافية.
What do you say?
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito. For me, this sauce is worth trying. Today we went and put the daqoos with
the
Margherita.
pizza Margherita.
The pizza Margherita. Thank you very much.
Grazie.
You took me to Italy again.
Thank you very
And
much.
I look forward to go again and again.
Absolutely yes.
Thank you very much.
Grazie, grazie mille.